learners. In this video I am going to describe one idiom which is in a nutshell. Basically it is very popular and we use in day-to-day life, but if you don't know the meaning and how to utilize it in the sentences, then I am going to explain that. In a nutshell means to sum up in few words. बहुत लंबी स्टोरी को आप शॉर्ट में अगर डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो तो उसको इन अ नटशेल कहते हैं. ओके, हियर आई हैव गिवन वन फ्रेज टू कट अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट. बहुत लंबी स्टोरी को शॉर्ट में कर दिया है, उसके लिए भी ये फ्रेज यूज हो सकता है. Basically, when you are writing in IELTS, in conclusion, you can also use like this in a nutshell, but it is sound like informal. So writing section में you don't have to use this word, but when you are speaking and when you are describing certain type of incident, like any bad incident or any journey you have to describe, or scary incident, a friend who is irritating and that irritating incident you are describing, that type whole story you are not able to describe, but in a short, in a nutshell, you can describe in few sentences. Okay, now we will see the example. Very first example is the whole world is in trouble and the reason in a nutshell is COVID-19. Again, the whole world is in trouble and the reason in a nutshell is COVID-19. Second example, it's a crucial financial situation for everyone, but the problem is in a nutshell a lack of sale due to lockdown. This type of phrase or idiom you have to use in complex sentence. Long sentences must be required. ऐसे शॉर्ट में एक सेंटेंस में आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. आइदर यू हैव टू क्रिएट द बैकग्राउंड और यू हैव टू टेल द सम फ्यूचर सेंटेंसेस ऑल्सो, एंड इन बिटवीन you have to use this. Third sentence, the Ramayana is a great holy book. It includes many stories, but in nutshell, it's about good wins over evil. Again, I repeat, the Ramayana is a great holy book. It includes many stories, but in nutshell, it's about good wins over evil. Last one, though I have discussed many reasons for this problem, in nutshell, it's joint responsibility of citizens and government to fight against corruption. Here you can, instead of corruption, you can use pollution, crime, corona, or any kind of problem. Okay, again I repeat, though I have discussed many reasons for this problem, in nutshell, it's joint responsibility of citizen and government to fight against pollution. Okay, this type, the last sentence you can use in your problem question when you have to discuss certain type of question and you have to provide the solution for that. I hope you understand this idiom. Now it's time for you. Please make sentence and share in the comment section. Just watching videos or listening, understanding and explanation doesn't make your English fluent. You have to make sentence, utilize that word in your daily comment.